credit reporting agencies are changing their rating system. And as CBS 2's Emily Smith reports, they're about to start looking a lot deeper into your personal finances.
To qualify for a mortgage to buy a home, it's always been about your credit score and whether or not you pay the minimum on your credit card bills and loans each month. But now millions of potential homebuyers' habits will be under a microscope, zeroing in on exactly how much you pay and more.
The problem with this is consumers don't know about it.
On-time payments won't be good enough anymore. It's a new credit scoring system called Trended Credit Data, and it goes into effect June 25th. The first to do it will be Fannie Mae, one of the largest mortgage lenders in the nation. Financial expert Paul Oster says it's incredible how in-depth this tracking system will go into your history.
They're also going to start using utility data. All utilities, your water, your electric, your sewer, is all going to be included on your credit report.
Oster says even your cell phone bill and a late payment to a company that doesn't even penalize you for it could now affect your interest rate. And our experts say if you think it's illegal for your utility company to share your payment information, think again. Oster showed us his own utility bill and says he has looked at many other similar large companies. All of them tell you in fine print your payment information is being shared.
And we will not disclose a customer's information without prior consent, except as required by law, requested by regulatory agencies and governmental authorities, or to be used for legitimate business purposes.
And it will go back 2 years or more. Licensed loan officer Bill Hendricks says a number of people looking to buy a home this summer won't qualify for a mortgage, or they'll end up with a higher interest rate.
But it's always been on credit cards, student loans, mortgage payments. Now it's going to be on utility bills.
We reached out to Fannie Mae about the changes, and a spokesperson said, quote, "It simply makes sure responsible, solid lending is going on, and we have a better understanding of the potential risks." If you're somebody who pays all of your bills in full and on time, including your cell phone bill, this will work to your advantage. In Eatontown, New Jersey, Emily Smith, CBS 2 News.
The auto industry has been doing what it calls trended credit data for years, but Fannie Mae tells us it is the first to do it in the home buyer industry. Our expert says as of now, FICO, the company that generates our credit scores, is not yet using this model.